either gonna go on the side of the toilet by the tissue area or directly behind the toilet. Trying to elevate the bathroom, you gotta give the world 3. Going for a very small and white look today. So if y'all see anything that y'all like, let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, this painting is in a set of 2. Really small. If it's small, I can just return it. We're not really doing gold, but maybe some gold accent will look cute in the bathroom. This is why I'm between this or this. So let me give y'all a little visual. The hand towels are gonna be in here stacked. It's really cute. Trying to put this bamboo look. Look who's here! Alright, so we have sunroof. Let me show y'all what's in the car. I was in a little pickle. So we got this for the toilet. I put this back because I was thinking it's a little bit small. We're gonna see. If it's too small, I'll bring it back. And y'all gonna come back and roll. And this is actually gonna go inside, rolled up. Girls, these are cute. Oh, I didn't know. I thought they could have come on. Somebody just stuck it. Oh, it's glued in. Okay, y'all, we here. Let me wipe the camera down. Ooh. Okay. So this is what the bathroom looks like before I do anything. Completely bland. I don't got nothing going on. I still gotta find something to put right here. I just don't know what I'm gonna put here. Unless I put the portraits right there and then forget to put it over here. But let me show y'all how we go from this. Hey girly pop, I know you're enjoying this video so much. Let me know how much you love it by leaving a comment in the comment section down below and like for part 2. We're not finished just yet. Towels, rugs, many more, especially the toilet area. See you in the next video.